I have quite a few jars of tonics in my kitchen. All are recipes my grandmother taught me. Nothing fancy or complicated, yet they are the things I trust and use every day for my health. If you're interested in any of these jars, leave a comment and I'll be happy to share. As for today, I'm going to share a secret from my grandmother to help burn fat, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity effectively using the fresh blend method. Since we will blend and drink this directly without cooking, the cleaning step is the most crucial to ensure safety. First, soak the ginger in diluted salt water. Then rinse thoroughly with water and remove any damaged parts completely. Next, use a small spoon to scrape off the outer skin of the ginger. Then cut the ginger into small pieces to make it easier for the blender to process. Fresh ginger contains gingerol, which creates thermogenesis, burns excess fat, and supports digestion very effectively. Now place all the sliced ginger into the blender. For fresh lemons, place them in a large bowl and soak them with baking soda. Baking soda will help completely remove pesticide residues in the wax coating on the lemon peel. Scrub the peel thoroughly, then rinse well with water to ensure absolute safety before processing. Once the lemons are clean, peel off the skin and the white vegetable pith to prevent the drink from becoming bitter. Don't forget to keep these peels. We will repurpose them to make a seasoning at the end of the video. Next, slice the lemon into thin pieces. Then add all the sliced lemon into the blender along with the ginger. Once the ginger and lemon are in the blender, pour in about 1,000 milliliters to 1,200 milliliters of clean, filtered water. Now, start the blender and blend this mixture for 2 minutes. Blending the whole lemon segments helps us utilize pectin fiber to support the digestive system and cleanse the liver. Fresh lemon provides a rich amount of vitamin C, helping to boost the body's immune system. Next, add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder to the blended mixture. Turmeric provides powerful anti-inflammatory benefits and effectively supports skin health from within. Just blend for another 10 seconds to let the turmeric fully incorporate into the mixture. Now, pour the entire blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Use a spoon to press the pulp firmly to extract the maximum essence. You will see a beautiful, natural yellow color, along with a rich aroma from the ginger and turmeric. The final, but extremely important step, add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper will help activate the curcumin found in turmeric. This helps our body absorb the nutrients from turmeric many times more effectively than usual. And there we have it, a highly nutritious glass of fresh blended ginger, lemon, and turmeric. The drink has a beautiful, fresh, and natural pale yellow color. You can notice a subtle and distinctive aroma from the fresh ginger. The warm, spicy kick of ginger blends perfectly with the refreshing tartness of the lemon. As I drink it, I can clearly feel my body warming up gently, which feels incredibly soothing and refreshing. After using this regularly for a while, I've noticed that this drink brings many health benefits. I have fewer cravings and feel more energetic and light every day. Thanks to turmeric and lemon, my skin has also improved significantly. I usually have a glass 20 minutes after breakfast or before a meal. Remember to stir well as the turmeric and pepper settle at the bottom. I don't throw away the lemon peels after peeling. I'm going to repurpose them in a very cool way. First, I thinly slice the lemon peels. Did you know? Lemon peels are packed with essential oils, giving off a very refreshing aroma. This peel actually contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins and antioxidants than the lemon juice itself. Lemon peels contain D-limonene, which helps detoxify the liver and supports cardiovascular health. It also has powerful antibacterial properties, helping to protect oral health and boost your immunity. Because it's so nutrient-rich, I always repurpose them into this ginger lemon seasoning. After slicing, spread the lemon peels and ginger evenly into the air fryer basket. Set it to a low temperature, around 80 degrees Celsius, to preserve the nutrients and aroma. While waiting for the air fryer, I take the time to prepare the ginger. The ginger is also sliced into thin strips so it dries quickly later. Slicing it thinly like this makes the powder much finer and nicer when blended. Right as I finished slicing the ginger, the lemon peels in the air fryer were perfectly dried. The peels are now completely dry, crispy, and giving off a very fresh aroma. Now I take the lemon peels out and put them straight into the blender cup. After putting the lemon peels into the blender cup, I spread the ginger on the tray for the second batch. And just like that, the ginger is crispy, dry, and ready to be ground. Now I'm adding the dried ginger into the blender with the lemon peels. Now, close the lid and blend this mixture until it's a fine powder. In just a few seconds, we have a golden, fragrant seasoning powder. Look at that. Perfectly smooth and smells amazing with lemon and ginger oils. That's it. This ginger lemon seasoning is incredibly versatile. You can store it in a glass jar to use for several months. If you're looking for a simple way to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support your daily health, then you should definitely give this recipe a try. And if you have an even better way, feel free to share it with me. I love trying out new things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow for more simple, healthy, and easy to make recipes. See you in the next video.